Hello again, this is from Caviar Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, we would like to make a simple test for the performance of the small unit 150 liters model reactor system. Okay. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power, and I have checked all the valves closed except this valve, because this valve is the connection to the vacuum pump. And then I would like to start the vacuum pump. Now we focus on the vacuum meter. That the vacuum degree is increasing. For the vacuum function, it can help to reduce the material bubble during the work and create the vacuum environment for the mixing work. Okay, for now it has reached the designed vacuum degree. So I would like to close the vacuum pump. Close this valve. This is a vacuum degree. This is the inside situation. There is no voice for any leakage point. I have taken around to check it many times that no leakage. So this is a good performance for the vacuum system. After the test, we can release the vacuum via this valve. Like this. Also, we equipped the spare valves for the liquid material feeding. In this way, we will release the vacuum. So this is simple test for the vacuum function, vacuum performance of this small unit. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Caviar Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.